Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you a few different ways in order to uninstall programs or apps inside of Windows 10. First, I'll show you how to quickly uninstall with the new ways that have been added, and then the original way through Control Panel. Finally, we'll take a look at a third-party program like CCleaner if you're having issues through the other ways. Let's first take a look at the quickest and simplest way. This is common, say, if you're having issues with the built-in Office 365 apps that come with Windows 10, and you also have an older Office version installed. Left-click on the Start button on the lower left, and in the app list, scroll down until you find the app that you want to uninstall. From here, right-click on the program and choose Uninstall. It will then take you through the uninstall process, or it might just delete it immediately. To uninstall through the new Settings menu, left-click again on the Start button and choose Settings on the left. If you don't see Settings, you can also search for it in the search bar at the bottom. Once inside of here, choose Apps. Again, find the app that you want to uninstall or remove, left-click on it, and then choose Uninstall. It will then go through the uninstall steps. If you want to remove an app the old way that we were used to, or if a program is not appearing in the Start or Settings menu, close this window and in the search bar at the bottom, type Control Panel. Inside of Control Panel, change the View By to Category, which isn't necessary, just easier I think to navigate, and choose Uninstall a Program. This is the old uninstall menu that we've had for years. You can then again find the software that you want to uninstall, double-click or right-click on it, and then choose Uninstall. And finally, in a past video I showed you how to clean up your Windows 10 PC using an app called CCleaner. Inside of that program, there's also a way to uninstall unwanted programs. This option may be the way to go if you're having an issue with a program that won't uninstall the other ways. I'll link to the other video showing you how to download and install CCleaner, but once you have it installed, on the left side menu, choose Tools. In here at the top, you have the Uninstall menu where you can again choose the app or program that you want to remove, right-click on it, and then hit Uninstall. And that's a few different ways how you can uninstall apps or programs inside of Windows 10. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.